Alright, we're going to start on the left arm. See how good we can actually see it. Well, I'm hoping. Because all we have left are some tattoos on the left arm and some smoke and the reflection of the screen. So, I'm going to grab my plate again. And we're going to start with the tattooing on that side. And again, it's the same principle. See how this is basically going that way? That's going to be pretty much how it's going to go. We can actually draw something like that. And throw it out. Something out like that. And give it out like that. There. It looks like it was supposed to be in there. Okay, now let's try something large here. Here. This is, see, again, I'm going that way. Going that, okay, what do I want? Okay. I'm going to go, here's a big old honking leaf like that. Here's a big old honking leaf, but it's curving downward. Okay. And here's another big old honking leaf, but it's curving that way. Okay, let's see how we're doing that. Like that. I'm going to add the color that way. And you're going to put a little, thicken those lines up a little on each side. Like that. And what are we doing? Okay. So going in with a thinner line. Same shape. More or less. And then we're going to bring it up and like that. Yeah. Around. And any place you want to fade it out, just touch it. Seriously. That's one of the coolest things about making fake tattoos. If you want it to fade, touch it. Okay. And again, I am just doing any design I can think of out of my, you know, pull up a design, something you like. And that would make it so much easier, but you have to think in the round. That's one of the Because if I just kept doing straight lines across this, it would look silly. But because I'm curving with the body, it looks like it belongs. And no, it doesn't have to look that great because apparently mine's not turning out as fabulous as one would hope, but the more swirls, the more lines, the more directions, the more you're not paying attention to one area or another. So that's pretty much a good, if you're not loving the way you're tattooing is turning out, look, just change it. Put in different lines, different, there we go, we'll put that one in. And if you're not sure and comfortable with your design, don't use a big one. Use a bunch of smaller ones and fill in space. Okay. We're going to put that one over this way. And put that one on like that. It's curved that way. And I can make that a little darker. There we go. Yeah. We can actually bring this down. I'm going to bring it down a little further on this arm. Just bringing it this way. Remember, this is a flat. Right here is a flat plane, so we can actually do flat things. But it curves once it goes up here. Yeah, I got schmutz in my hands watching it. I don't want to put too much in there. Anyway, we can keep going like that, or, you know, calling it a day. Now let's make, let me fix some things here like this. I'm going to bring that up like that. Bring that up, that's fine. Fill in any place that's not dark enough. Speaking of that, we're going to do the lace. Are you excited? Can't wait. Okay, for our little lacy boy shorts, we're going to take our burnt sienna and white mix, and we're gonna just go dots, dots, dots. We can actually do a series of dots, or we can kind of draw like we would petals, or you can draw kind of like you would with your, now watch, we're just going to touch it to kind of give it less prominence. Okay, so we're going to just dot dot, I'm just dot dot dotting like that, right? Then watch, then to make sure you know that it's lace, I'm going to take, just like it was for the tattooing, I'm just going to, and kind of like what we did for the bra, we're just going to go around and make it work together like that. All of a sudden those little silly dots look like they're part of something bigger. There you go. Because any place that the, like I said, you can draw a flower. So, I mean, like if you were going to draw a flower, you just draw the petal, but leave that center. Here's a petal, here's a petal, and do something like that. Knock it off, you two. I'm working, people. My kids, man, I swear. Now I'm going over that black, because I'm not sure if I want it to be that dark. I can go over it. I should have gone over it with the burnt sienna. Or, I'm sorry, not burnt sienna, burnt umber. What? I'm working.
I have green.
Not right now, because I'm working. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to fix that knee up here. See how I lost part of it? Yeah. Now to fix, like as Lexi, I am working.
Can I have goldfish?
Am I working?
Yeah.
Can I get your goldfish while I'm working?
No.
No?
I want to get the goldfish.
No, you don't need to, because we'll eat dinner in a little bit. Yeah, dinner. That'll be home in a little bit. I'm just faking that skin tone, making that skin tone again. Faking, making, same difference. And just kind of evening parts out. There we go. Actually, see, that's the funny thing. This should come out more towards us. So let's try a little bit like that. There we go. So they're not so, there we go. And just lightly go. See, that's a little better. And I don't want it to be such a, oh my God, dark, and then such an, oh my God, light. So I'm gonna, there we go. And again, remember there's that collarbone right there. We'll color it in a little. We're going to color that in a little right there, because we're going to make sure we know that's a little bit of a fade here. A little bit of a fade here. Let me get a smaller brush. And this is where it gets tricky, because you're just going to sit there and fiddle with the tones until you are happy with the way it looks. And that's the big part. Are you happy with it? If so. Okay, this comes at me. There we go. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's pull it out a little more. Yeah. There we go. Yes. So we're not, like I said, I don't want it to be such a big transition. And like down here, that's, why is that so light? It doesn't have to be. Okay. Any place that should be darker, that's really light, we'll change that. Because that's the thing, this isn't about being terribly light. We want to show off our skillet shape. And like right here, I'm going to show you a trick. Right here, see how it looks like a brick? We curve that, and look, all of a sudden, we curve that right there. And it's no longer a brick. Feels more organic. You can actually put that in right there. But we're light. Faith, light. Now notice something, I'm going from here at like a wider triangle to a smaller, narrower triangle, because as it comes at us, it's going to be a little bit bigger. And as it goes away, it's going to be smaller. Okay. Here we go. We're going to kind of, here we go. I like, let's see. This has, I want a highlight there, but I don't want it to be like I said, oh my God. This right here is probably the lightest part. Right there, in between. So this is going to be light, but it's not going to be that light. And we're going to bring it down. There we go. And this is right there. It's a little light, and the bottom of that those cheeks. That's going to be light. Bottom of those cheeks right there. It's going to be light, which means under that nose is going to be a little darker. Now we've got all that fun stuff. Let's get a little blue in our white. And you're going to say, why? Because we're going to make our smoke. And the way we're doing it is just putting a blob. That's my husband.